right, today we're going to look at my first report in ServiceNow, incident management. We've created a lot of content for Remedy. We want to make sure we catch up for our ServiceNow customers. Highlight a couple of benefits in general about Northcraft always. Platform portability. So again, you can switch from Remedy to ServiceNow like our customer Novant Health. Keep the same BI applications that you have, the same executive dashboards, operational dashboards, web-based and Excel-based ad hoc reporting. Or let's say you're switching from ServiceNow to Remedy like Watson Pharmaceuticals, you'll be able to keep your reporting platform with you. So again, platform portability, as well as a breadth of BI applications that are growing for SolarWinds, ACD systems, IT operation systems, and general monitoring platforms. One suite of BI applications that are BI platform and database independent. And in the world of SaaS, there are 3-year contracts and essentially leasing, so we believe that that's going to increase platform turnover in the near term. It's a little bit sad from the BI perspective because the longer the data set, the greater the predictive capabilities and the greater the reporting history, which leads to better decisions a lot of times, but that is neither here nor there. Let's get into our first report with ServiceNow. We're going to create a simple one that shows incidents closed and those incidents that are meeting their SLAs. That's one of our key performance indicators. So first, just a quick overview of the cube here. Again, we have our metrics always at the top, organized by these different folders: audit, okay, counts, durations, performance metrics, and then our key performance indicators. Today we're going to be using this percentage of incidents meeting SLA, our hierarchies, and our attributes within ServiceNow. So for example, in classification, you'll find things like the business service, configuration item, description, etc. So we've created that for usability's sake. And then at the bottom you have your time dimensions, and these are different time fields that have gone through our ETL process to clean up those dates and times, to give you a little bit more rich reporting capability there. Okay, so we'll start with closed incidents, okay, which we've got 102,000 here, and then we're going to do the the hierarchy here of category. And go ahead and sort those, largest to smallest. Then we want to bring in a key performance indicator here, the percentage of incidents meeting SLAs. There we go. And so that we can see by category where we have met the most SLAs. And of course you can sort here from largest to smallest to put those highest at the top. And then as we drill down into a category, we have subcategories here within ServiceNow, whereas you've seen all of the, on the Remedy side, you have operational categorization, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, product categorization, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. In ServiceNow, they've kept it simple out of the box. It's category and subcategory. And so again, we can just drill down here, continue to drill down into the incident record. Now, this is where we can add additional fields that we would like to see in the report. We can also change around this hover. This hover can get a little bit distracting with all of the fields shown by default. Just one quick tip here. We can show our properties in the tooltips here, hide them all. Okay, now nothing appears in the hover except for the incident ID. And if I can customize that though, so we'll show the, for example, let's show the description. Okay, so when I hover now, let's find one that has a description. Okay, the descriptions are blank on these, but you get the point there. So we're going to go ahead and now add some fields to the report by going to the property fields. Okay, so let's put in the caller, and let's do the configuration item as well. Okay, just to give you an example of how to use the properties. There we go. Okay, so we've got our caller and our configuration item there, and that can be very helpful for us determining, as we're trying to improve our data quality, who's relating configuration items to the instance. I can add a filter as well. Say I want to look at one specific group. Okay, we'll open up our personnel. Okay, let's filter this by assigned group and look at one specific group. We'll call it the service desk. There we go. Okay, so now we've got our instance closed with an assignment group of service desk and the percentage of instance meeting SLA there. So that's our first report. And again, we always try to keep it down to less than 5 minutes.